just wanted to come to you really quickly and give you a quick tour of the Reiki Studio that we work out of. Bear and I also do sound healing. We are Reiki masters, so we do a lot of energy work. We do a lot of work with frequency and sound. Tonight we're going to be holding a sound bath, and I just wanted to give you a quick look at Huntington Beach Reiki, which is the Reiki studio of our Reiki master who taught us. And it's such a beautiful, serene place to be. And just wanted to give you a quick tour and show you where we're going to be playing tonight. This is absolutely one of our favorite places to come to. And we try to do a sound bath every other week. Usually they are on Fridays. And we're going to be putting up a little QR code at the end of the video. If you want to save that QR code, scan that QR code, that will lead you to our link tree. And our link tree will have more information on how you can reserve a spot for the sound baths. And this is going to be our little setup for tonight. But we love this space. Bear is preparing the smudge for this evening. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick look around of where we'll be playing tonight. And we'll have more information up on the link tree for you with that.